Tired of your photos being too dark or blown out? Today, we're diving into EVE monitoring on your Nikon Z30, unlocking the secret to perfectly exposed shots every time. We'll break down how to read and adjust your camera settings so you can capture those crisp, vibrant images you've been dreaming of. First, let's locate the exposure compensation scale on the back screen of your Z30. You'll see a horizontal bar. This is your EVE, or exposure value, indicator. Usually appears when you are in aperture priority, shutter priority, or program mode. To adjust the EVE, simply turn the main command dial, usually located near the shutter button. Turning the dial to the right increases the EVE, making the image brighter. Turning it to the left decreases the EVE, making it darker. As you adjust the dial, watch the live view on your LCD screen. You'll see the image brighten or darken in real time, giving you immediate feedback on your adjustments. This visual reference is key to achieving perfect exposure. For even more precision, display the histogram. Press the DISP button repeatedly until the histogram appears on the screen. This graph shows the distribution of tones in your image. Ideally, you want the curve to be balanced across the graph, avoiding clipping on either the left underexposure or right overexposure. By mastering EVE monitoring on your Nikon Z30, you'll have complete control over the brightness and detail in your photos. Experiment with different settings and watch the live view and the histogram to dial in the perfect exposure every time. Now go out there and start creating stunning images.